our ancestors have been strong advocates of fasting. However, current generations of skeptics often think of fasting as a way to starve one's body in the name of God. Research has shown that this ancient tradition of fasting, known as Ekadashi, actually aligns with modern breakthrough findings regarding cellular health during fasting. To understand this, we're brought to Yoshinori Ohsumi, a Japanese biologist who won the 2016 Nobel Prize for helping us understand the mechanisms behind a term called autophagy using baker's yeast. This word, autophagy, can be broken into two parts: auto, meaning self, and phagy, meaning eating, and is essentially your body's way of recycling its own cells. Here's the process of autophagy. When we eat normally, our body gets energy through using the nutrients from the food we eat. However, when the body can't get nutrients from an external source for an extended period of time, insulin levels drop and the body goes into a state of nutrient deprivation. When a strict water-only diet is sustained for around 16 to 24 hours, the process of autophagy begins to significantly increase. Although it is important to note that while some Ekadashi fasts permit light fruits and non-grain foods, autophagy requires a complete fast. This drop in nutrients causes cells to focus on using their own waste to gain energy and clean themselves rather than focusing on growing. During this time, cells form specialized structures called autophagosomes that pick out and collect cellular waste, including damaged proteins and old mitochondria. These autophagosomes then attach to the lyosome, a type of membrane-bound organelle that acts as both the digestive system and waste disposal or recycling center of the body or cell. Lyosomes allow the cellular waste to be turned into essential amino and fatty acids. These acids are then used by cells to construct new healthy parts. This process of autophagy naturally detoxifies the cell and can even protect against diseases to some degree. Now, our ancestors' understanding of the health benefits of fasting has been validated by modern science and medicine. Now that we understand what goes on internally in the body while fasting, many people may still wonder, why do we fast specifically on Ekadashi? This is where we can truly see how knowledgeable our ancestors were. While common myths point out that this is due to changes in atmospheric pressure, the real reason is due to the timing of fasting. The Ekadashi fast occurs on the 11th day of both the waxing and waning lunar cycles, establishing an orderly fasting schedule. This practice of fasting twice a month lets our body go into a state of autophagy regularly while still letting the body rest. Since discussing dense subjects like complex internal processes wouldn't have been too practical back then, our ancestors integrated this practice with spirituality, transforming wellness into sacred traditions. Today, instead of relying on myths, we have accurate scientific research to back these traditions up. Is this a tradition you practice too, or is this something you're learning about now? This channel respects all religious beliefs. With that being said, please note that this video is for educational and informational purposes only and does not provide health advice. Remember to consult a medical professional before starting any fast or making large changes to your diet.
Hi guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe to Seerudaiyan and also share this video. Thanks for watching.